Hi my gardening angels, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Jess and I have a really exciting video for you guys today, or at least I'm really excited for it. Welcome to my new office. Honestly, I don't even know where to begin with this. The walls are tan. They're kind of a lighter tan color. I was kind of hoping to paint them white and kind of start with that crisp feel, but honestly, I don't mind the color. It's kind of warmer. I think it'll still look really well with all of our natural wood and the plants. And I really don't want to have to paint. So, I think I might just leave it tan and we'll just work around it and kind of change the design of what I had planned. Oh, hello, baby. Come here. Say hi. Nope. So in case you missed my last video, my husband and I bought a house and we have been moving in over the past month and I'm so excited for it. I love our garden, I love our yard, and I get my own plant room, so we get to do fun videos and study and do all sorts of fun stuff in here, and I just can't wait to really make this a fun, cozy little space. I really want to go for more of a natural wood. I have a lot of plants, if you can tell behind me. My goal for today is I need to get my grow light set up because my succulents are struggling. I do have 2 windows in here. They don't get as much light as I would want. We have really big trees out in front of them that I do like to keep because in the summer it's going to be really nice to keep this room cool. But the plants will need a little extra light to help them grow throughout the winter. So I will be setting up my grow shelf and kind of getting my plants on there. And then in a few days, I'll probably have to come back and make it all cutesy. But I'll include that in this video as well. So let's jump into it. All right, so this room has kind of just become a staging room. You look like you're gonna make a mess in here. Ow, that's my toe. Here are my grow lights. I need to set them up on this grow shelf. That's where I'm going to be putting it. I will be putting my desk over here. This corner is kind of up for grabs. I'm thinking of maybe a cute chair, maybe some more shelves with some more plants. As you can see, we have a lot of work to do. And then I have this closet here as some storage. I will be showing you guys all of this. I will be changing a lot of it, but I hope you guys enjoy it. Okay, so I think I have successfully put all of the plants under my lights. I did have a third grow light. It is not turning on, so I did not set it up. It stopped working a few days before the move, so I'm not exactly sure what's going on there. But I put my more tropical leafy green plants down here. They'll just kind of get some off light from the grow lights. And then all my succulents are under there. I don't have time to set up my full office, but this will at least make my plants happy for now. There's a little damage from not having light for a few days. Our succulent seeds did stretch a lot. So we'll see if I can't recover those. And a lot of our nicer succulents did stretch. You can kind of tell by these bare paws. They're also in desperate need of some water, which will be next on my to-do list. You can kind of see how they were lacking light by the really bright green on the insides of those topsy-turvies. And then down here, we have some more tropical plants. This is an acacia. I'm really excited about him. He got really mad at me. I did not take care of him in the move, but his new growth looks okay. Here is my Swiss cheese, my Monstera, some ZZ plants, and then I got a bunch of other little house plants that I need to plant up. This I bought from Walmart for like 75 cents as a bulb, and not exactly sure what happened to this leaf. Maybe it got eaten, but it has a new leaf on it, which is exciting, so I might try to make him an indoor plant as well. For the rest of the office, we still have a lot of work to go. Lots and lots of work.
3 weeks later.
Today I have some helpers coming over to help me paint. My mom and my sister. They're going to come and help me paint this room because it's a tan color, which is nice, it's fine. But I was really wanting it to be white because I think that would just make all of the plants really pop, and it would be a really fun little reflective space so that the plants get as much sunlight as possible. So that being said, we have a lot of work ahead of us, but first I need to clear out this space so that we can actually paint the room because you can barely move around in it at all. I did go ahead and set up my plant stand with all my grow lights because, I mean, like I said, we've been here for 3 weeks, so I needed those to have some light. They couldn't sit in a dark room all month. Now I'm tackling this office. Kind of my goals is to make it a really fun, cute space where I can shoot the videos for you guys, have my plants growing, but I also am a student in school still, so I need to have a study space as well and be able to come and do my work in here. So we're going to try to tackle all those projects today or over this weekend in this video. Okay, I cleared it out quite a bit. Man, we have a lot of work to do. I'm just getting over a little cold, so I'm sorry if my voice sounds a little raspy. Welcome to my office slash plant room slash I'm really excited because I have a whole room for plants. I wanted to give you guys a quick tour. I know you just saw a lot of me setting it up, but I wanted to kind of go over a few things, show you all my ins and outs of my plant room because I've made it to hopefully be very practical for us, or me. But I have a lot of cute pieces. I will be posting all of the links down to all of these below. I'm really excited, so let's jump into the tour. This is right on my back wall behind my desk. I know you guys already saw a lot of clips of it. I got this amazing sign for us. It was handmade by a local gal here. I got it as a gift from my mother-in-law. This, I believe someone said, was a blue star fern. we split it up and put it in this awesome planter. Moving into the corner here, I have this awesome plant stand. My husband gave me this several years ago for my birthday. We have a synogium, I don't think I'm saying that right. An awesome candle. These are my bullet journals. I haven't used these two yet, they're new. We have a really fun fern. I'm not sure what variety, but I put him on a little can of water chestnuts because they were short and he needed a little extra boost. And then this was a wedding gift and I just thought it was really pretty. Down on the ground we have my watering can that I got from the Target dollar section several months ago. A little pumpkin from the garden. A really fun spider plant that I got from my husband's grandma. A vase from TJ Maxx. And I'm just really obsessed with how this stand turned out. I think it's really cute. My office has these wooden blinds, which I feel like give a nice natural element to this office. Underneath my grow lights just a little off to itself. I have a plant stand that I got on sale from Target. I believe I paid $24.99 for it. And then my Swiss cheese Monstera Deliciosa plant. We got a little ceiling paint on it. So you can see just a little white polka dots. They just kind of splattered a little, but he's doing really well and really kind of liking the spot underneath these bright lights. I do have my 2 rubber mats that I got from a hardware store because a lot of the water falls and I didn't want it ruining the carpet. And then we have 2 grow lights here. One's a T8 and one's a T5. My succulents are really happy right now. I just watered them not too long ago, so they're enjoying life. Then down here we have a Christmas cactus. So now let's go to my actual desk. This is the other wall. This is what I see. You guys probably won't see this very often as my camera will probably sit here. Here's my cactus poster, my cactus calendar. I got this at the $5 section from Target recently. And then I have these just on a little elevated plant stand to kind of give me a little jungle behind my computer. This is an alocasia, super pretty. I'm really enjoying this one. This is an elephant ear. And I'm not exactly sure what this one is. It was a gift. This down here, this is my trash can. I just have a little wire basket in it, but I thought that kind of covered that up nicely. And then here is the rug. I'm really liking the rug. It has a lot of extra space back here, so it might have been too big. But the carpet's not the best, and it kind of covers a nice big section of the carpet, which is really nice. And I'm really liking this. It also is really easy to roll my new chair on. This chair I got from Amazon. I'm really liking it. It's really comfortable and really smooth and just looks really nice with this. Down here are all my school books. They all fit perfectly in this little basket, so I thought this would be a nice container for keeping my school supplies in as I'm studying, and it just kind of keeps them neat. And then up here is my desk. I have a white candle pumpkin. It smells so good. It's not too strong either. It's not too strong either of pumpkin, which is really nice. It doesn't really like give me a headache or anything. And then I got these notebooks from Romwe, but I thought they were kind of cute. So I wanted my pens to just sit on them. And then I have a little succulent ogre ears crassula planted in my pen holder as well. And then this beast of a wall, this is my closet. I have a little sign that I got from Target, and it holds my shovel. But this wall was some work. So it just so happened that I had a lot of teal colored bins. So it was nice because they all kind of matched and made this a really fun closet to put my stuff in. Okay, so let's start on this bottom shelf. I just used it as some planter storages, some vases, terrariums, stuff like that. All my other pots are down here. It's not the prettiest setup, but it will work. These are just some extra candles that I have. And then in this bin, I thought this would be a good idea for my soil so that it kind of just stays contained a little bit. And it's sealable, which will be really nice too. But I just have some potting soil in here for a lot of my house plants and stuff. Or if I want to start seeds, I can grab some soil from that. That'll be really nice. And then I kind of brought that same concept up into these 3 containers. So this one is my succulent and cactus soil. These are cloth, so I didn't really want to put the dirt actually in the bin. This here I got from Walmart a while ago, but it's just kind of like an old school locker container. But I have pumice in here, just loads of pumice. So I thought that was kind of a fun way to store that. And then in this one I have my sphagnum moss for projects. This way those containers and bags are just kind of hidden, and it just kind of makes this a more neat, clean space. And then over here I just have some more fun decorative pots. This really pretty mug that I love, that's kind of more for decoration. All my seeds are here. I don't know how I ended up with so many seeds, but I must have a problem. So I put those in there. I thought that was kind of a fun way to just kind of keep them together. Over here I have my other succulent mug, just some toppings, top soil dressings, another candle for my office here in a minute, my Easy Bright grow light that I haven't hooked up yet, and just some other stuff for lighting. I haven't thought of a good way to store these yet, but just up here I just have my shears, my gloves, my garden syringe, my little clippers, and a knife. These kind of more are for trimming and tending to the garden. I didn't really want to put them down below because we have a dog that would probably eat them. And the knife and sharp scissors I really didn't want her getting a hold of. Alright guys, so that is it for my plant room tour. I will go over more plants later with you guys in future videos, but I kind of thought it'd be fun to kind of show you my setup for how I'm going to be actually gardening in my house. With the dirt bins and stuff like that. Now, in order to kind of keep the dirt off the ground a little bit, I do have a fitted sheet that I'll be putting underneath the legs of my desk on one side, and then setting other pieces down to weight on the other corners, and then I'll be messing around with the dirt and planting on that sheet so I can easily shake it off outside and I won't get a ton of dirt in here. I'll show you it really quick. It's from just a really old bed, but I just have it wrapped up and stored, and it will just kind of keep things a little bit tidier, especially since I will be doing this stuff mainly on carpet. I'll be coming out with some more succulent videos later this month. I also will be putting together my garden journal for my future garden next spring and kind of planning that out. So definitely hit the bell notification as well so that you guys don't miss those videos, because I think they'll be really fun. Anyways, thank you guys so much for joining me today. I hope you have a great weekend.